Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about vent hoods. So I personally love this vent hood because obviously it's black and gold and we all know that those are my colors, but this is what they did. So this is basically a basic vent hood that is just black, and then the way that they made it fancy was they took wood pieces. You can use like wainscoting or just wood, and they added the trim pieces along the side of the vent hood that was already here, and then they did it again here, and then they made these. So this is like a flat panel, and then these are like a little bit thicker, and then they painted it this accent color gold. I really like this. I think it makes the whole entire cabinet space look very luxury and elaborate. I love it with the gold hardware on the doors. All looks super custom, and most of us have these in our houses anyways. So if you wanted to, bump yours up a notch, this might be a good DIY for you to do. Super inexpensive, and I love it, and it looks custom. So that's Fancy Fridays for today, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.